Boomi is an integration platform which offers API management, master data management, and primarily it's an API integration platform which now has joined the AI bandwagon and introduced AI enabled integrations. As you can see on the screen, there is this integration model or the evolution of Boomi, how it has transformed from one of a manual writing code to middleware, then to low code, and now AI first. Primarily, what is happening here is that, like many other organizations, Boomi is has embedded generative AI into their API integration platform. Now, Boomi AI is a conversational user experience that harness the power of generative AI to design integration processes, APIs, and data models to connect applications, data processes, people, and things. Learning from the anonymized metadata of over 200 million integration from approximately 20,000 customers, Boomi AI translates natural language requests such as, for example, connect my CRM to my invoicing system into action, saving organizations weeks or even months of work. Boomi AI radically simplifies the work of building integrations and automations and of managing integrations related operations. It empowers IT organizations and businesses team to do three main things. The first one is design connection, which means that Boomi AI can design integration processes, application programming interfaces or APIs, and master data models with built-in best practices from millions of successful use cases. Then the second thing is optimizing the operations. With Boomi AI's actionable intelligent insights, users can solve problems proactively, facilitate predictive maintenance, automate updates, and allocate optimal resources to enable software to efficiently self-manage itself. Boomi AIs offers a lot of insights as per your use cases, which makes your manual tasks quick and easy. Third thing which Boomi AI can do is orchestration of experiences. Imagine telling the Boomi platform automate invoice processing. With Boomi AI, the platform knows which systems to connect and how to orchestrate processes across applications. And the result is your AP department or any other department for that matter saves valuable time and delays are eliminated, which results in higher vendor and employee satisfaction. This Boomi AI is an AI first solution because what Boomi wants to do is he Boomi wants a customer to turn it first as a fast, reliable way of doing the game-changing work that drive business forward, as shown on this picture on your screen. I hope that you found it exciting. The main thing which I'm excited about is that, as was expected, lot of organizations and product vendors are now integrating this generative AI tooling within their software. And as you can see, whoever is a Boomi professional, they are not going to lose their jobs. Instead, this Boomi AI is just going to be a power tool for them to increase their productivity, to make life easier for them. Still, humans will be needed, but only those humans who are AI first, who will take AI as an enabler, as a productivity enhancer. So, I would encourage you to join the bandwagon of generative AI. And if you are a Boomi user or professional or even a customer, you should be looking at integrating Boomi AI into your workflows and APIs. I will also put the link to Bhumi's AI's website in the video's description. If you have any feedback or any questions, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.